Sri Parasakthi Vidyalaya Cbse Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In previous class we learnt matter, states of matter and change of states of matter. Today we are going to learn solute, solvent and solution. Okay, first let us see what is solute, solvent and solution. The substance that dissolves is called the solute. The substance that dissolves is called the solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. A solute and solvent together form a solution. A substance that dissolves is called the solute, in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. A solute and solvent together form a solution. For example, if we add a salt to water, we get salty water. If we add a salt to water, we will get a salty water. Here, salt is a solute, water is a solvent, the salty water is a solution. Salt is a solute, water is a solvent, and the salty water is a solution. Same way, we mix a sugar with milk, we will get sweet milk. Sugar is a solute, milk is a solvent, and sweet milk is a solution. Okay. Next, separation of substances. There are two kinds of substances, soluble and insoluble. The soluble substances are separated from the solution by the process of heating, and the insoluble substances are separated by the process of filtration, sedimentation and decantation. First, soluble substances. Soluble substances that are those substances that dissolves completely in a solvent to form a solution. Example, salt and sugar are soluble in water. Water evaporates on heating and the salt particles are left behind. In salt solution, water evaporates on heating and the salt particles are left behind. Then insoluble substances. First one, filtration. A solution containing insoluble substance is passed through a filter paper. Here, the insoluble substance gets retained on the filter paper. The liquid passes through the filter paper. For example, sand and water can be separated by filtration. An example of filtration used at home is the separation of tea leaves from tea using a strainer. Next, sedimentation. During sedimentation, the liquid is left undisturbed for some time. The heavy insoluble solids settle down at the bottom. This process in which the insoluble substances settle down is called sedimentation. Next, decantation. The upper clear liquid is poured into another container without disturbing the insoluble solids. This process is called decantation. Example, mud and water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Here, the mud and water solution, mud settling down at the bottom of the beaker, that is sedimentation. Then the water is being poured to another beaker without disturbing the mud. We'll get the clear water solution, that is decantation. Okay, the fourth chapter is over. The book exercise and the question answer will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.